Welcome to another Machine Monday. So I've recently had a conversation with one of our customers that's deployed a couple of these Raven vibration sensors. And the initial goal of the project was to detect the utilization of a number of their assets, to see how much capacity they had available to bring on new products. But interestingly, out of the whole exercise, we were able to monitor a few of the assets and realize that actually the magnitude in vibration was increasing over a couple of weeks. And what was really cool about the whole thing was that the vibration sensor automatically sent a WhatsApp message to the maintenance manager to say that the vibration is increasing and this is not normal. On inspection of the machine, the customer realized actually the bearing was wearing out and was able to replace the bearing at a significantly lower cost than what it would have been had the machine broken. This is really the power of using vibration sensors together with smart notifications that has really helped our customers. Let me know if you're interested in one of these vibration sensors. Here's another Machine Monday.